Hi guys, my name is Naya and I'm a student here at Queen Mary, Malta. I know the first week of university can be daunting when you're new, you're coming to a brand new place, brand new university, but I'm gonna walk around and talk to some students and they can tell you about their experiences when they first came here so you guys can get a better feel for what you're expecting when you arrive here in Malta. Hey guys, so I just wanted to ask you a few questions. What did you first think of Freshers when you came here? Did the events help you make friends? And what was your favorite Freshers event that happened?
So I think Freshers was a really welcoming event overall. It was a great way to meet new people and make new friends. I really enjoyed it. It was very good.
We had like 2 weeks of events, and they were all back to back bagging, and like you get to really know everyone. And yeah, I thought it was really cool.
And there were like various events, so depending on what you liked. So there was like a pool party, like a beach party if you like going outside. There was like a bounty castle place, and we went bowling as well. We had a welcome dinner, which is really nice, getting to know loads of people, and that's where I met quite a lot of people actually. And it also gives you the opportunity to talk to people in older years, so it was just a really good time overall.
For me personally, the first Freshers event I came to was Jump Malta. Personally, I loved that first event because it was, for me, opening up my world to a lot of cultures and helped me a lot in making friends.
Well, I really enjoyed Freshers. I think it was very well planned. Meeting everyone here, everyone was very kind and open-minded, which was great.
I think I liked all events overall, but I really enjoyed the whole year events, like as in like first year, second, third and fourth, so with all the years combined, because you get to really meet so many people, and I really like that.
My favorite event personally was the boat party.
Favorite event had to be the boat party.
Definitely like the boat party. I think like we got to explore Gozo. So
Boat party seemed to be a pretty popular one amongst a lot of the students.